Hey girls, today I'm going to be doing the iHeart tag, and the reason I'm looking over here is because my computer's over here. Sorry if it's making noises, but so yeah, I'm just going to do the iHeart tag, and it was made by Miss June Fabulous, and I'll link her channel in Lampard. She makes pretty good nail tutorials, so yeah. So yeah, I'm just going to get started. Question number 1, favorite fall lip product. Because I don't really like lip gloss or lipstick, so I just picked chapstick, and this one's a classic cherry one. And this one's just the moisturizer one. So yeah, again, I don't really like lip gloss or lipstick, so I just picked chapstick. My favorite fall nail polishes are purple. Like, it doesn't matter if it's dark purple or light purple. And this one's the Julep Maven in Renee. And this one's just a light purple. And I think this one's the Nicole by OPI. Yep, so right there, Nicole by OPI, and it's Gone Wishing. And it's just it's purple but with blue sparkles, or whatever you want to call it. Yeah, so I just like purple. It doesn't matter if it's light purple or dark purple. Number 3, favorite Starbucks fall drink. I like Starbucks, but I don't really go there often. But I do like any hot drink that has to do with pumpkin or vanilla or cinnamon, so any of those. Number 4, favorite fall candle. Again, I don't really use candles or burn candles, but I do like I'm going to tell you my favorite fall scent is vanilla or pumpkin. So yeah. Number 5, favorite fall scarf or accessory, and my favorite accessory is scarf. So I know I just got this, but it's purple with pink stitching, and I like how it like kind of scrunches right here, and then right here it just looks like a regular scarf, and it's a really big scarf and has fringe. It's just really cute, and I think purple is a great fall color. And this one's just black and gray with it's like checkers, and it has fringe at the bottom too. It's just really cute, and yeah. Number 6, haunted house, haunted hayride, or haunted corner maze. Where I live, there's no haunted corner maze, or there's no haunted hayride or haunted corner maze. So I pick haunted house because I like to get scared, and I think they're fun. And it's like when you go around the corner, you get really scared. So I think it's fun. Yeah. Number 7, favorite Halloween movie. I don't have a specific one. I just like scary movies. Like I said, I like to get scared. So like any scary movie on Halloween. So yeah. Favorite candy to eat on Halloween. I like to eat chocolate on Halloween, so like Thin Mints or Reese's or anything chocolate. Yeah. Number 9, what are you dressing up as for Halloween? I'm not dressing up because I think I'm a bit old, which I know I'm like turning 20 in December, if you didn't know that. But I know people much older than me are dressing up, but I just think I'm a bit old, so I'm not gonna dress up. But yeah. Number 10, what's your favorite thing about fall? Just like wearing sweaters, scarves, wearing boots, and just wearing comfy stuff. So yeah, that's all the questions. So that's the iHeart fall tag, and again, it was made by Miss June Fabulous, and I'll link her channel in the description. And thanks for watching, and I hope you like this video. And if you do, you should like it, and if you haven't subscribed, you should. And thanks for watching again, and I'll see you in my next video.